everyone and welcome back to the channel NB English Tutorial. In this video, I am going to share with you the UGC NET English syllabus in details along with the syllabus of paper 1. If you have done your masters in English literature and looking for the best career option after it, then UGC NET exam is the best option for you. NTA conducts this exam twice a year, one in June and another in December. Those who are running their final year in masters or who already cleared their masters with minimum 55% of marks can apply for this exam. So, it is quite necessary to know every detail of the exam pattern and the syllabus to crack this exam. So, without wasting any further time, let's know about the syllabus of English Literature UGC NET. 30 is the code number of English paper. There are total 10 units in this syllabus. In Unit 1, there is drama. In Unit 2, there is poetry. In 3rd unit, there is fiction and short story. And in 4th unit, there is non-fictional prose. Here one thing should be noted that the first 4 units must also be tested through comprehension passages to access the critical reading, critical thinking and writing skill. These 4 units will cover all literature in English. Look at the line that these 4 units will cover all literature in English. By this means, question will arrive from British literature, American literature, African literature, Canadian literature, Indian literature. So, in this section, you have to cover all the famous author, poets, dramatists and novelists' work from all the above literature. Next, come to the Unit 5. There is language, basic concepts, theories, pedagogy, English in use. In Unit 6, there is English in India, history, evolution and features. In Unit 7, there is cultural studies. Then Unit 8, there is literary criticism. Next unit, literary theory post World War II. And the last unit, that is 10th unit, research methods and materials in English. This is the syllabus of UGC NET English Literature, and in my separate video I will discuss about the important writers and their well-known books asked in UGC NET. Now let's talk about the general paper or paper 1. There is also 10 units. Unit 1, that is teaching aptitude. Then we have research aptitude. Then we have reading comprehension. Then communication. Then mathematical reasoning. Then logical reasoning. Then we have data interpretation. Then we have information and communication technology, that is ICT. Then we have people and environment. And lastly, we have higher education systems. From all these sections, question asked in UGC NET, paper 1. So let's talk about the mark division for both paper. In paper 1, there will be 50 MCQ type question, each carrying 2 marks, that is 100 marks. And in paper 2, that is your own subject paper, 100 MCQ type question, each carrying 2 marks, that is 200. In total, there will be 300 marks. And the exam will be online based and you will get 3 hours for this 300 marks. There will no negative marking. I have tried to give you detail about the NTA UGC NET English syllabus. If you have any further query, please let me know in the comment section. Hopefully, this video will help you and guide you for your upcoming NET exam. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel. Very shortly, in another video, I will discuss about the important books which will help you to crack this exam. Till then, have a good day and stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.